Magandang hapon po ng Friday, July 19, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, July 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 19, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, July 19, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for July 19, 2024 Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, July 19, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.